We are pleased to announce near completion of Chemistry Innovation and Research Center with the flexibility to truly cater to small and large projects across discovery and development life cycle.
Big is beautiful. Small is beautiful in this uniquely designed solution to discovery needs.
We match your vision with our chemistry, dedication and the time-focused 4D approach. Whether you are a virtual innovator or a small startup or a large pharma, this state-of-the-art facility offers you a flexible solution to match your needs. We match your inspiration with state-of-the-art facilities and add a la carte scientific, high-level intellectual inputs as per your specific requirements.
Vertical construction allows us to better tailor floors for a turnkey approach, usage, or more bespoke projects that need more specific scientific and operational service support. Multiple initiatives pool resources, deliver, clean, and monitor while maintaining firewalls of IP integrity and data security. We aim to deliver a best of both worlds paradigm, big is small and small is big advantages. Located at a hub of important science teaching institutions, we spot talent, employ, and nurture a diligent, dedicated team who can progress in their careers. The environment alone will reduce churn in staff and make for a better working environment. The unique pneumatic sampling system allowing central analysis of samples is just one example of saving time.
Separate dedicated analytical labs built on each floor, delivering efficiency and saving time.
Spending on equipment and the latest fume hoods makes us one of the most modern discovery facilities in India. Less downtime, easier cleaning, saves time while keeping our quality focus. Safety systems throughout, such as the latest solvent dispensing bays on each floor and multiple sensors on fume hoods, will make it safer and save time. Sustainability is built into the power supply, with 50% coming from solar energy, and we guarantee clean air filtering. People-friendly with modern catering, 24/7 dedicated doctor on the premises, breakout rooms and creche with ample parking on site.
Digital records and transparency make this a site our partners can monitor from afar. Cameras in fume hoods mean reactions can be monitored real-time or from backup data. In effect, your work can be looked at your convenience.
Our promise to the end patient is to provide our partners with the means to carry out integrated drug discovery, ultimately leading to candidate selection for the life-improving drugs.
This new Chemistry Innovation and Research Center is built to make our partners' vision a reality within a 4D world. It recognizes the efficient use of time as a very component of your decision making. We know your time is important. We know life is precious. Thank you for your time.
We look forward to virtually hosting you at Jubilant Biosys CIRC. So connect with us now to know more.